Hi friends, welcome. Today's PC The Greatness Guide, written by Robin Sharma, chapter number 9. Make time to think. I am blessed to the ability to meet interesting people from all walks of life regularly because of the work I do. I meet filmmakers, poets, brilliant college students, voice teachers, and visionary entrepreneurs. Each one of these encounters has taught me something and shaped my perspective. I had dinner recently with one of Asia's top CEOs. Asked him the secret of his outrageous success. He smiled. I make the time to think. Every morning he spent at least 45 minutes with his eyes closed in deep reflection. He is not meditating. He is not praying. He is thinking. Sometimes he is analyzing business challenges. Other times he is thinking about a new markets. Still other times he is being introspective on the meaning of his life and what he wants it to stand for. Often he is simply dreaming up a new ways to grow personally and professionally. Every once in a while he will spend between 6 and 8 hours doing this, sitting silently, still with his eyes closed, thinking. Making the time to think is a super strategy for success at a leadership and in life. Too many people spend the best hours of the day solely engaged in doing and the execution aspect of things. Recently, a client said to me, Robin, sometimes I get so busy that I don't even know what I am so busy doing. But I want if he is busy with the wrong things. Few things are as disappointing as investing all your time, energy, and potential climbing a mountain only to find once at the top that you climbed the wrong one. Thinking and reflection ensures that you are on the right mountain. Peter Drucker, the management expert, said it so well. There is nothing so useless as doing efficiently that which should not be done at all. Being thoughtful and strategic is step number one as you walk to greatness. Clarity precedes success. By thinking more, you will have a better sense of your priorities and what you need to focus on. Your actions will be more crisp and deliberate and intentional. You will make better decisions and wiser choices. More time to thinking will make you less reactive. You will become clearer and the best users of your time, which will in turn save you time. And your think time will provoke some amazing ideas and inspire some big dreams. Lewis Carroll addressed this point beautifully in Alice in Wonderland when he wrote, There is no use in trying, said Alice. One can one cannot believe impossible things. I dare say you have not had much practice, said the queen. When I was your age, I always did it for half an hour a day. Why sometimes I have believed as many as six impossible things before breakfast. Thanks for watching this video.